The HOWEAR GT3 Max is a feature-packed smartwatch that blends elegant design, advanced health monitoring, and AI-powered assistance into one versatile wearable. Positioned as both a fitness companion and a productivity tool, this smartwatch is designed for users seeking a balance of style, utility, and innovation. The GT3 Max features a zinc alloy body crafted with IML injection molding, providing durability with a premium finish. At 48 millimeters x 10.7 millimeters, the watch maintains a sleek profile suitable for everyday wear. It comes in horizontal black and moonlight silver, with interchangeable straps made of environmental silicone or leather, available in multiple colors including obsidian, peacock green, vitality orange, and more, offering personalization for various styles. The HOWEAR GT3 Max smartwatch is an affordable yet versatile smartwatch that successfully merges fitness tracking, AI-driven smart features, and stylish design. Its integration of ChatGPT distinguishes it from many competitors, offering practical voice assistance and conversational AI directly on the wrist. Overall, the GT3 Max is a well-rounded smartwatch ideal for users who want a blend of fitness tracking, AI assistance, and everyday convenience, making it a strong contender in the mid-range wearable market.